Imagine a world where businesses operate with incredible efficiency, where tasks that once took days are completed in mere minutes, and where decision-making is not just swift, but also incredibly accurate. This isn't a distant future. It's the reality that AI agents are ushering in today. As we enter 2025, these autonomous entities are set to revolutionize industries, redefine job roles, and create investment opportunities that previously did not exist. This will be the only video you need to understand everything there is about AI agents, and if you stick until the end, I will share 6 projects that should be on your radar. You're not going to want to miss this. Guys, we launched our flagship ecosystem product, ICN.live. It's a brand new and fresh Web3 news platform where you'll find articles in gaming, AI, blockchain, and of course, Bitcoin. And if you're interested in receiving great insights and market updates straight to your email, don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter. You can find all the links in the description below. My name is Kareem, and in this episode of the Crypto Code by ICN Talks, we'll dive deep into the world of AI agents, explore how they differ from traditional AI bots, and uncover the pivotal role that crypto and Web3 technologies play in this transformative journey. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of AI agents and the emerging investment landscape within the crypto industry, with the potential to 10x in this space alone over the next 12 months. So what exactly are AI agents? Well, at their core, AI agents are autonomous software programs designed to perform tasks on behalf of users, making decisions and taking actions without continuous human guidance. Unlike traditional AI bots, which follow predefined scripts or respond to specific commands, AI agents possess the ability to reason, to plan, and interact with their environment in a dynamic and context-aware manner. So what is the difference between AI agents and AI bots? Imagine running a business where you need to expand into a new market. If you were to rely on traditional AI bots, you would need to specify every detail from market research parameters to how they analyze competitors. But an AI agent, well, they would autonomously gather market insights, identify opportunities, negotiate with your partners, and even execute marketing strategies without needing constant oversight. This shift reduces operational complexity and accelerates outcomes, providing businesses with a strategic edge. AI agents are versatile and adaptable, making them valuable across various domains. We're starting to see them being deployed and developed across several industries. We'll start seeing them in enterprise automation, from managing supply chains to optimizing human resources. AI agents can streamline processes by handling repetitive tasks and enabling intelligent decision-making. We'll also start to see them in healthcare, where these agents can assist in patient monitoring, diagnostics, and personalized treatment plans by continuously analyzing patient data as well as medical research. They're also becoming great personal assistants. Beyond scheduling and reminders, AI agents will be able to manage your emails, they'll be able to analyze your finances and offer proactive suggestions tailored to your preferences. And in finance, AI agents will be able to streamline financial operations by autonomously managing portfolios, detecting fraud, and executing high-frequency trades based on real-time market data. And in education, they'll provide personalized learning experiences by adapting to individual student needs. They'll track their progress and suggest optimized learning paths. And in marketing, they'll be able to generate innovative ad campaigns or prototype new products. We are honestly just scratching the surface, and I'm excited to see a lot more creative ways and use cases for AI agents. Guys, these AI agents are going to be everywhere. And I know what you're thinking. What is crypto's role with these AI agents? Well, let's talk about it. So the crypto AI landscape can be categorized into 4 layers, with each enabling distinct advancements. Number 1, compute. Decentralized networks supply GPU resources for AI training, reducing reliance on centralized systems. And number 2, data. Protocols incentivize the sharing and curation of high-quality data sets, addressing the data wall challenge in AI model developments. And number 3, middleware. Platforms facilitate the deployment of AI agents on blockchain, integrating zero-knowledge proofs and privacy-preserving mechanisms. And finally, number 4, applications. AI agents are revolutionizing on-chain activities, from automated DeFi trading to AI-powered governance in DAOs. The intersection of crypto and AI offers incredible potential, transforming blockchain from a transactional ledger into an intelligent, proactive ecosystem. By integrating AI capabilities into decentralized networks, it promises more efficient and innovative economic models. As AI agents take center stage in this new digital era that's being dubbed the agentic web, crypto's programmable infrastructure will ensure that these technologies evolve in parallel, paving the way for a truly autonomous and decentralized future. One project that really became the pioneer in this space is Goat Maximus, or Goat by Truth Terminal. It has redefined what's possible with AI agents by merging blockchain's transparency with AI's autonomous intelligence. It introduced the concept of universal agent sovereignty, where AI agents can independently own, manage, and trade digital assets via self-custody crypto wallets. This breakthrough gave agents the ability to interact with DeFi protocols protocols, smart contracts, and token ecosystems without requiring human intervention. For the first time, agents were not just tools, but autonomous economic participants, capable of negotiating deals, pooling resources, and executing transactions on behalf of users. This autonomy unlocked unprecedented efficiency in sectors like supply chain optimization, 24/7 trading, and decentralized governance. And one of the most inspiring achievements of Gotius Maximus was its agentic collaboration framework, which enabled AI agents to form temporary alliances to tackle complex tasks. For example, an agent could negotiate energy contracts while another one handled logistics, all coordinated seamlessly on a blockchain network. This innovation dramatically reduced costs and inefficiencies, particularly in industries relying on global, multi-stakeholder operations. This is super interesting because not only are you going to have one AI agent that's helping you with your tasks and making you more efficient, but imagine setting up a group, a team of AI agents within your organization, whether you're a content creator, whether you're a business owner or an entrepreneur, you'll be able to set up a whole marketing team of AI agents that work 24/7. They don't get tired. They'll go online, they'll do market research, they'll always check what your competition is doing, come with pricing strategies, new product launch strategies, and send it to your email for you to review on a daily basis, hourly basis, however you like. This is so powerful. And guys, with AI agents, this is going to be the path for a company to potentially become a unicorn billion-dollar company just with one person and a bunch of AI agents. And guys, with AI agents, this is the path to building billion-dollar unicorn companies with one person alone. On top of that, Gotius Maximus became a cornerstone for projects focused on democratized AI, empowering individuals and smaller businesses to harness powerful tools that were once the domain of tech giants. By combining accessibility, trust, and autonomy, it didn't just revolutionize crypto, it set the stage for a world where intelligent agents create and govern the digital economy of tomorrow. Next up, we have to talk about Virtual's protocol because they have been dominating the market and performing very well. Virtual's protocol is an AI agent platform that allows users to create, deploy, and co-own AI agents tailored to their specific needs. These AI agents are fully autonomous, capable of executing tasks such as managing digital assets, engaging with decentralized applications, and performing actions based on user-defined objectives. At its core, Virtual's protocols offers a robust framework for integrating AI agents into the Web3 ecosystem. The platform supports seamless interactions between agents and decentralized applications, allowing them to operate within DAOs, execute complex transactions, and participate in collaborative networks. With a focus on scalability, Virtual's protocols enables users to manage multiple agents effectively, ensuring that their operations remain efficient even as they grow in complexity. Now, for the part of the video you've been waiting for, here are my top 6 AI agent crypto projects that should be on your radar for 2025. So let's pull up the screen and go through some of the research we did. Alright guys, so as we were preparing the research for this video, we found some articles that are really worth mentioning. This one by Coinbase called Demystifying the Crypto AI Stack is really interesting because obviously we're seeing use cases of AI in, being done by Anthropic, Google, centralized platforms essentially, and they're working fine. But why do we need to now see like projects being built on Web3 and utilizing Web3 and crypto technologies to amplify their use cases, right? So if we go here, they really start to explain why Web3 technologies is important for AI adoption as well, and kind of building more tools and features for AI using Web3 technology. So if you scroll down, there's a nice chart here that I wanted to show you guys from Vitalik, actually, the founder of Ethereum, where he showcases kind of AI's strengths and where they're at, and then you have blockchain strengths and where they're at. So if you look at AI right now, it's centralized, little transparency, it's very energy consumptive, monetization is limited, and it's very monopolistic because we only have the big players. Whereas on blockchain, it's the complete opposite. You have decentralized, it's transparent, energy efficient solutions, user monetization, and accessible. And then the synergies that he shows in the middle are exactly what they are, right? So there's data ownership, transparency, monetization, and cost cutting, and innovation. So this is what we're seeing right now, and it's going to be a huge trend for 2025. And if we go down, another part of this report that I really liked and I wanted to showcase is there are many projects that are being built in this space. For the sake of this video, obviously we're not going to go into all of them, but do subscribe and we will be talking about more different projects being built in the Web3 space. So if you look at the 4 categories, we kind of discussed them earlier. You have compute, and then you have all these projects down here working on that specific problem. Then there's data. Again, another like 24 projects being built, building in that space. Then you have the middleware, and then finally the applications, which is what we're talking about today, which is the AI agents and some of the infrastructure building those applications as well. So this is one article that we'll put into the description. You can have a look as well in your own time. Moving on, I wanted to kind of showcase there are different ways that you can track AI agents and their performance across different sites. So CoinGecko does this and CoinMarketCap, but CoinGecko will show you kind of the market cap, the trading volume. What I like also is the trending. So Virtuals protocols, A16Z and AIXBT by Virtuals is trending, and then the top gainers as well in this space. And if we move to CoinMarketCap, it's a similar one. Interestingly enough, the market cap for AI agents is different across these two. So on CoinGecko, it's $15 billion market cap, which is very low, by the way. And CoinMarketCap, it's $13.1 billion, which is also very low. But what's interesting here is it kind of aggregates and curates all of these AI agent projects into one place and shows you by market cap who's leading the way. So obviously Virtual Protocol is way ahead, $4.2 billion market cap. And it's still growing. I mean, 60 days, 1,000%. In the last 30 days, 153%, which is incredible. We've talked about Artificial Superintelligent Alliance in a previous video. Go check that out. They're number 2 here at 3.5 billion. They're a merger of 3 different projects coming in together to become a real infrastructure play. And then you'll start seeing AI agents like Cerebro, which is like the fine arts kind of classy artistic AI agent that's really taking over X right now. I think it just released its own music album. You should go check it out. It's very interesting. A16Z is another infrastructure project. So here, it's a great place to kind of keep your eyes on what's going on. But if you want to, what I also like to do is sometimes scroll down to the bottom and look at these low cap plays. So if you scroll down, you'll see like this one here, like Skillful AI is currently at a market cap of $8.5 million. The past 60 days, 80% up, something to keep your eye on. And then you have all of these different projects that are under $20 million market cap. Trias token, which is the new one, TRIAS, and Skillful AI, SKAI. These are the kind of projects that I'm also very interested in, and I'll be looking at because there's such low cap, and the risk to reward could be a very interesting play here. Moving on, there's a platform or a website called Cookie.fun that I've been hearing about and looking at, and it's kind of also aggregated all of these AI agents into one place, and in a kind of fun way. It kind of reminds me of Pump.fun. It is very meme-ish. But it's an interesting place to kind of get all your information. They do have a freemium and then a premium. So, I haven't unlocked the premium right now, but I might look into it. But it's a very, very interesting tool to use also to kind of follow what's going on. And again, guys, like we're talking about a market cap here. See, on Cookie.fun, it says $16 billion. That is incredibly low. I have strong conviction that 2025 is the year for AI agents. I have a feeling that this is going to be $100 to $150 billion industry by the end of 2025. So that's a 6 to 10x over the next 12 months. Definitely keeping my eye on this, and I'll showcase the watch list at the end. But this is going to be the trending hype investment of the year, and I think everyone should be definitely looking at this right now. So moving on, I wanted to also showcase this by the DeFi villain on X. It's you can't even compare anymore. It's an AI agent world, as he says in this post, and it's completely just doing it's doing much better than all the other sectors in the space right now, and it's doing by far. And then I wanted to move on and really start talking about the one that's leading the way, Virtual Protocol. We did mention it earlier in an earlier video as well to keep your eye on it. And it's amazing. Like they've been building so much since during the holidays that I couldn't even keep up over the past 2 weeks. And what's nice about it, it's kind of like a launch pad for AI agents, but it also helps you create them. And it's on the base chain. But it starts off as a prototype agent. So if you click here, you'll see some really early projects being built. And as they graduate or grow up, they'll then go and become sentient agents, which is what you'll see right here. And look at these, like a market cap of the biggest one right now is called Game. It's a $258 million market cap. Again, what we always like to discuss on the channel is there are projects that become billion-dollar projects, but they become a huge ecosystem in themselves where other projects can then become $1 billion because of what they've built and because of the platform that they've built. So something you should definitely be keeping an eye on. It's super interesting. And again, like AI agents are, fascinating technology that are going to be improving everybody's lives that we know. Moving on. this is not just hype, guys. I wanted to show you this post by JD Hyper on X, where he's been tracking the revenue of Virtual's protocol. And actually, this is, I think, just 2 weeks old. It was December 27th. And he talks about how Virtual's generated $50 million of revenue in the past 90 days. So imagine, these platforms are actually generating money. So to build an AI agent or to list it on Virtuals, you have to pay, I think it's 100 Virtuals tokens, which is, I think, $350 in today's current exchange. So they're actually generating money, right? And $50 million in 3 months is amazing. But I actually read the stats. It's until now they've hit $73 million to date. So that's incredible. Moving on, I'm going to go into AI16Z, which is not affiliated with A16Z whatsoever. And I think across all of their socials, they mentioned it 100 million times that they're not associated with A16Z. But what I like about them is they're building essentially the operating system for AI agents, as you can see here. It's called Eliza OS. And in true Web3 fashion, it is open source. It's really a community-based project where people are getting together and trying to like take the industry to the next step together. So they're all contributing. It's at a $25 million AUM right now. A lot of people are involved, and it's just really fun to watch where this is going. So I'm definitely keeping an eye on that. So moving on, the 6 projects that I wanted to put, to show you guys today, and I want you guys to have, be watching for this year around this specific topic. Again, there are so many projects, but I think it's always good to kind of narrow down and look at projects that are actually generating revenue, have created a real community, and I have conviction that are going to be doing well. So again, definitely Virtual's protocol. I don't think getting in now, it's done 1,000% over the past 60 days. So I would wait for a kind of a pushback a little bit before getting in, before investing even more. And then Artificial Superintelligence Alliance, again, is a big merger between 3 projects coming together. But these are my picks for this video. Cerebro is an AI agent. Gotius Maximus, the OG. I'll always be following what they're doing because it's super interesting. They were the ones who pioneered the whole space. AI16Z is another infrastructure project that we just discussed. And then AIXBT by Virtuals is also getting a lot of traction on X. So if you look at the last 60 days for that one as well, it's 1,100%. Last 30 days, 100%. So these are my 6 picks. Again, do your own research, but it's such a fascinating space. And I strongly believe by the end of 2025, this is going to be a $150 billion industry, just the AI agents alone. AI agents are not just a technological innovation. They're a complete reimagining of how we approach work, decision-making, and economic activity. Their potential to streamline operations and unlock new opportunities is super exciting. Combined with crypto, they're set to revolutionize the way we interact with technology and the digital economy. I think businesses and entrepreneurs who are proactive and curious about AI agents today will be miles ahead of the competition. And what's incredible is that we're going to see our own AI agents, and it's going to get easier for us to develop ourselves. So I really need you to start thinking about ways you can increase productivity and efficiency in your life and business. If you're as excited as I am about the intersection of AI agents and crypto, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Join us here on the Crypto Code every week as we decode the incredible technology shaping our future, and I'll make sure to keep you updated on the latest developments with AI agents. Thank you for making it this far in the video. See you next week.